It's been fantastic. It's been really good. We've had a stand here. Our CEO's done a presentation. It's just been a fantastic opportunity to get together with a whole load of customer experience professionals, kind of see what they're after, what they're looking for in the market, what challenges they have at the moment, and listen to some really inspirational speakers. I mean, I love the Black Farmer and love listening to David Carroll yesterday. It was just fantastic.
We've had some fantastic conversations, and we hope to be progressing with those people.
Yeah, it's been continuously good, as we've had in the past. We've had 3 years at the event now, and each year we've come back. Great leads, great presence with the right sort of delegates here, and some good speakers.
I think it's the event's been really good for us in terms of networking with people that are really passionate about customer experience, and I think the offering that we have in terms of communication and feedback, and also employee engagement, fits into what everyone's been talking about in terms of moments of truth, and the brands actually implementing it is really rewarding for us to see.
Yeah, so the biggest challenge for us is being a game changer and a leading organisation in terms of online virtual assistants. Tapping into industry experts within our client base and in our prospect base is a big challenge for us. And ECEW has a lot of leaders in customer experience, online customer interaction, and that's really where we see the value. So this year has been good for us. It's our second year coming, and we've got in front of some good people, which is what it's all about.